Welcome to my live class. And today I have brought here the H.C.F of algebra. How to find out H.C.F in algebra that I am going to show you here, okay? First of all, I want to take one example. Question is there, find H.C.F, okay? H.C.F of the following algebraic expression of following algebraic expression. Okay, following algebraic expressions. Okay, there will be given expressions, and we have to find out their expressions. Here I am going to take one example. Look, children, in this question there is given three expressions. Okay, first one is given there a square 3 minus a, right? And last one term is there is given 2. And second expression there is given a square plus a minus 6. Okay, there is given a square plus a minus 6, and last one there is given, and last one expression is given there 3a square, right? 3a square, okay, minus 13a is given 13a, okay, and last one term is given there plus there is given 14. Okay, like this there is given three algebraic expression, and it is asked us to find out HCF. Okay, and for this right here, first of all, solution. This will be very useful for the students of grade 9. Okay, solution, right? And it is helpful for grade 8 also because we learn there in grade 8 also and grade 9. Even though it is helpful for the grade 10 also. And first of all, right here, first expression like this. Okay, we have to factorize this first expression here first. How to factorize? Okay, look, I want to show you here. First expression right here. Right here, first expression. Okay, I'm writing exp shortly here, first expression. Then I'm writing this first expression in, okay, their descending order of the power a square minus a and minus 2 here. Okay, like this we have to write them in descending order of their power. Okay, and look children here, first of all, what is the coefficient of this one? Okay, this a square is 1. Okay, the coefficient of a square is 1. Then we have to multiply this 1 and this last one term. Okay, this one, right? This and this multiply, and 1 2 are 2 comes here. Okay, and we have to factorize this 2. Okay, we know its factors is 2 1 are 2 only, right? Right here, 2 1 are 2 only, and there are two factor, one is 2 and there is 1, and we know that the product of 2 into 1, it gives here 2 only, right? 2 1 are 2 right here, and we know that 2 minus 1 is subtraction. Look, here is minus 1, last one term, that's why we have to find out this middle term by subtraction. Okay, here is 1, that's why by subtracting 2 and 1 it will come here 1. Okay, right here. Okay, in place of 2 we have to write, look, like this we have to factor s here, middle term 1 a square right here. Okay, and minus it will be here, and inside the bracket we have to write this 2 minus 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 in bracket and a. Okay, and minus 2 here. Okay, minus 2 this. Okay, now after this we have to remove this bracket, then it will come here like this. See children, there will be a square. Okay, and minus and 2 into a, it will be here 2a, open the bracket like this. Okay, and then here we have to take care, minus into minus is plus here, right here 1a. Okay, and last one there is minus sign there. Now here are four terms, that's why let's take the common of this 2 and this 2. Okay, now here's common a, then we have to put here a minus 2 remaining here. Okay, because we have taken there a common. Then right here also, here is 1 is the common as the factor. Okay, we know 2 into 1 means 2. Okay, in place of this we can write 2 into 1, and here is 1 common, write the 1 common here. Okay, if we take 1 common, what is remaining here? A minus 2 right here. Okay, a minus 2 here, and now look here, here is also a minus 2, here is also a minus 2. That means our factorization is going on correctly, we have to understand, right? Then right here a minus 2 is common, right? And what is remaining here now? Next one is remaining there, a plus 1. We have to factorize like this. Okay, expression should be factorized like this, right? Now let's go for the second expression here, right here. Now second expression, right? Okay, right here, second expression right here. Okay, right here, second expression. Okay, and for this second expression, what is given there? And there is given a square plus a minus 6. Okay, right here also, here is given a square okay, and there is plus a, there is written plus a, and right here minus 6, okay. Here multiply should come 6, okay, because there is 1 1 6 is 6, and multiply should come 6, and subtraction should come here 1, okay. Middle term is 1, middle term break it is. Now right here like this, a square, right here a square, okay, and plus, and right here in this bracket 3 2s are 6, okay, right here 3 minus 2, okay, 3 minus 2 is 1, and 3 and 2 multiply, then it comes 6, okay. That's why here in 6 we can add 3 into 1 also, or you can leave here 6 only. Okay, we know that in 6 there is 3 into 2. Okay, 3 into 2, and this 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, middle term. Let's remove this bracket now. What is here? Well, factorization. Right here a square plus, and when you remove this bracket, what will be here? It will be here 3a. Okay, right here 3a minus, it will be here 2a. Okay, and minus 6 will be there. Okay, like this we have the four terms. Now we put equals to, and take common here, a common, then write here a plus 3 remaining factor here, okay. And what is common in this two? There is minus sign, that's why take minus sign first common, then 2 common, and here will be there, okay, a remaining, and minus common gone, then that's why here is remaining plus, okay, because minus into plus is minus, okay. Now from this 6 also we have taken 2 common, that means here will be 3, okay. Now look, so then this a plus 3, a plus 3 same, then again we can take here a plus 3 as a common here, okay. Take here a plus 3 as a common, and what is remaining here? Here is remaining a, remaining one term, okay, put in another bracket, and minus 2 is remaining there. This is a plus 3 common, a minus 2 is remaining. Now let's factor this third one here, okay. Right here, third expression like this, okay. Third, and right here expression, okay. Right, shortcut is exp also, you can write, and third expression is given there, and here 3a square, right here 3a square, okay, 3a square, right, and minus there is 13a, right here 13a, okay, then right here plus, and this is 14, okay, it's 14, and we know this 3 into 14 we have to multiply, then we know 14 multiply with 3, okay, first, because there is given coefficient more than 1 here, that's why 14 3 are, what will be here? 4 is a 12, and 3 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 4, 42, okay. Multiplication must come 42, and what is there at the middle? Middle one there is 13, that's why factor is this now. Right here 2 1 2 2s are, okay, and 2 1s are, and then we can write here 3 7s are, factor is like this, okay. And here can look clearly, this is 2 3s are 6, okay, and this is 7, right. And look at student, first of all I want to tell here, at the last there is plus, that's why we need to find out this middle term by addition, okay. By addition we have to find out this 13, okay. As we know that this 2 3s are 6, 6 into 7, 6 7s are will come, 6 7s are will come 42, as we have found that by multiplying this 3 and this 14, and we will get that middle term, okay, 3a square right here, 3a square, and minus, in place of 13 you will write here 6 plus 7, okay. This is called middle term break, okay. 6 plus 7 13, 6 7 is 42, okay. Now write a, and last there is 14, okay. Now here also remove the bracket, and when you remove the bracket it will come like this, look here, 3a square, okay, minus, here will be 6a when you remove the bracket, and here will be minus 7a, right here 7a, okay, and then right here 14, Now here came four terms. Now let's take common from these two terms. In this two term, what is common? There is 3a common. Okay, write a 3a as a common. Okay, then what is the remaining children here? Here is remaining a, and here write 3 twos are. Okay, 2 left here, and a already common gone here, and here minus 7 common. Then what is the remaining here? Here is remaining a minus 2, right? And like this we factorize. And now what is remaining here? Here a minus 2 common. Take a minus 2 common here. Okay. If you take a minus 2 common here, then what is remaining this one? This one is remaining here 3a. Okay. And minus 7 remaining here. Okay. These are the factors for this third expression. Okay. Now let's see here what we got in this first expression. First expression we got a minus 2 a plus 1, and the second expression, look here, one is a plus 3 and this is a minus 2. Okay, and last one, look at third expression. In third expression what we get here? A minus 2 and 3a plus 7. Okay, in this all the factorization, one factor is same. Look there, there is a minus 2, right? Here is also a minus 2. Okay, and here is also a minus 2. Okay, in these three expression, okay, and factors a minus 2 is same. That's why right here, therefore HCF. Okay, therefore HCF of this question is right here, HCF equals to, what is common there in all? In all there is common a minus 2, right? Right here a minus 2 as the common factor, right? That's why this a minus 2 is the HCF of this question. This is the answer. Okay, a minus 2 is the answer for this question. Okay, children, this is the way to find out the HCF of the given expression. Should be found like this. Okay, this is the way to find out HCF in algebra expression. Okay, okay, children, I will take one more example there for you for the more clarification. Okay, okay, this down one. Look here, when you take a minus 2 common here, here was coming. This is for the third one. Okay, expression. There was coming a minus 2 common, okay, and there was remaining another factor, there is remaining 3a minus 7. It was left at 3 by a minus 7 because this last line it is chord, okay, there is chording, that's why I'm writing here again. What are the factors of the third expression? That is one here. It is chord, okay, there is chording. Okay, look, Celine, now I am going to take one more example for more clarification, okay? How to find our H.C.F in algebraic expression. Look here, I want to clear this. Okay, this is the second example I am going to take here, right? The next question is this. The question is like this, okay? Find H.C.F, okay? H.C.F of the first expression that is given, a square plus 2ab plus b square, okay? It is like this. A square plus 2ab plus b square, okay, and last term there is next one, that is c square, okay, there is c square given, and next expression there is given second expression like this here, that is a square minus b square, look like this, a square minus b square, okay, a square minus b square plus, and there is given ac minus bc, okay, ac minus bc, okay. Let's see here, this is another example for the H.C.F. Then first right here, first expression right here, okay, first expression right here, first expression right this side, okay, right here, first expression. Hmm. In this first expression, let's see here what is given, and this look here, a square, right, plus 2ab, there is given plus 2ab, and next one there is given b square, right, and minus c square, next one is, okay. Then we know that this is a plus b whole square formula, okay. This three term, a square plus 2a plus b square, this is the formula of a plus b whole square, and last one make their c whole square, okay. Now I am using here a square, this whole is a and this whole I am taking b, okay. A square minus b square formula, then here will be, look children, first there will be a plus b, this as a, okay, a, this a plus b, b is there c, and curly bracket close here, this a plus b, and right next one, same but there will be minus sign at the middle. There is a plus b, okay, then here will be minus c, okay, close the bracket like this. And for this, and when you factorize this one, open this bracket, then what will be here? Here will first factor will be there, a plus b plus c, this is first factor, and second factor there will be a plus b, okay, minus c, okay, like this we have to write this two factor. Now let's do the second expression here. What is the second expression given there? See here, its second expression is there, second expression, right, you can write exp also shortly, and second expression is there, a square minus b square, okay, here is right here, a square minus b square, right, and next term, third term is that ac, okay, and fourth term is that bc. There are four. Then we know that its formula, look, a square minus b square formula is a plus b, we can write here, and next one right there, a minus b, okay, write a minus b here, and plus what is common in this third and fourth? There is c common, okay. If c common, then what is remaining here? A minus b, okay. Now look children, here is also a minus b, here also a minus b. Now we can take a minus b common. Right here a, okay, minus b as the common, right? And then what is remaining here children? There is remaining a plus b, and last there is remaining here plus c, okay. These are the two factors for this expression. Now let's see here for the HCF, okay. Right here now HCF. Now HCF, okay. HCF. Right here HCF. And what you found here, the same factor, this a plus b plus c, and here is also a plus b plus c, okay. These are the same factor, look, they are the common factor. That's why that common factor of this both the expressions, first and second, that is a plus b plus c, okay. This the common factor is known as the HCF of this question, okay. I hope you understood this, okay, how to find out the factors, and after finding factors, what factor is, what type of factor is taken as the HCF, which is common factor in all the expression. That common factor is the HCF, highest common factor, okay. I hope you understood this. If there is any difficulty, okay, regarding the HCF LCM of this algebraic expression, you can ask me. Hello children, those who are watching my video, you can also share the difficulties if you have, okay, regarding this algebra. I can solve and I can help you, okay, in your study. if you have regarding the H.C.F LCM. Okay, to this much only. We'll meet now for next one. Okay, in next day. And today this much only. Okay.